Okay, so this is question 1 for chapter 5. Question 1 says, in the figure 5.8, a block of mass hangs in equilibrium. The rope which is fastened to the wall is horizontal and has a tension of 38 newtons. The rope which is fastened to the ceiling has a tension of 59 newtons and makes an angle with the ceiling. The angle is blank. A, B, C, D, or E. Right, so to answer this question, we're going to be using cosine, right? Because we have tension. So let's draw our tensions. We got tension 1, which is horizontal to the wall, which is 59 newtons. And then we have another tension, which is going towards the ceiling, which has, no. So it's not, it's the other way. So, so the wall horizontal and I have a 38. So this is 38. 38, and the which fastened to the ceiling is 59. 15. So we want to make a note. So the note is for the system to be in equilibrium, the resultant components of the three forces must be equal to 0. Must be equal to 0. So we're just going to use our cosine theta of the 38, which is adjacent to the hypotenuse. So this would be, if we could draw, just imagine it's a triangle. This is our theta is hypotenuse. It will be this. And this will be our adjacent. So it would be 38 over 59. Which comes out to 49.9 degrees, which is 50 degrees. So the answer to this question is letter C, 50.